Ernst game, I drop that song there again. It a do things. It turn up loud. Hey, and voice no say. I'm rotten, dude. Worst game, a worst nightmare.
Yo. What is up, guys? Get married another reaction. Woo! And today, guys, we're with Vybz Kartel. Yeah, man. Vybz Kartel with All Out. Vybz Kartel with All Out. So the flu they are mashing me up, but that now go stop it from work. We are work. You understand? We are work. So I'm going to jump in the one and see what I go on, man. Vybz Kartel, All Out. Let's get it. Hi, guys. Here's my second reaction channel. It's called More JWG Reactions. If you don't mind giving it a follow, I post different content over there. The link is pinned in the comment section of this video that you're currently watching. And just go over there and just watch some of the video them. Some different type of video I put over there. So you see me? So if you don't mind dropping a follow over there, that would be great. Thanks for the support. And let's get back to the video.
As my put it in, that ball.
Why you want to suffer? Dump your ballin', baby. Remember how you tell me you want fuck till the morning. Ready now? You say you want fuck. Shut up your mouth and take fuck.
As my put it in, that ball.
Hey, you see that one here? I feel the girl let me love send man some tough text. Yeah, me call it tough text. I chat tough. I chat tough until man book them see them start scream out, them shrims out, them shrivel down, them badness shrivel down. Yes, and them girl let me attack.
As my put it in, that ball.
Where you are? Hey, where you are? Tap your Gaza fans. Comment section, get ready. Ready now.
You say you want fuck. Shut up your mouth and take fuck. Love girl like you a bulldog.
And I give it up, chat, say me can't fuck.
Now you say you want fuck. Now shut up your mouth and take fuck. Remember, say you are give me tough chat and I go like say you a bullbuck. Bullbuck and dopey conquer rhyme attack. And I give me tough chat and me can't fuck. Alright? Wait.
You say you want fuck. Shut up your mouth and take fuck. Love girl like you a bulldog.
And I give me tough chat so me can't fuck.
Cocky I go all out. So your pussy get sort out. Me cocky I go all out. So me fuck you make you ball out.
Listen to the ad-libs them when I say your creativity fuck. Aye.
Cocky I go all out. So your pussy get sort out. Me cocky I go all out. So me fuck you make you ball out.
Alright now.
Cocky there you feel your pussy miracle. So me slap up your body down till the purple.
Hey. Merkel a big woman, you know? Merkel a big woman. Merkel. I saw the girl name, you know? Merkel. Yes. Cocky there so for your pussy Merkel. So me slap up your body jaw till it hurt you.
Cocky there you feel your pussy miracle. So me slap up your body down till the purple. When your nipple them and when me tongue a circle.
Better say your pussy wetter than a shower curtain.
Better say your pum pum wetter than a shower curtain. After me take me tongue and just a circle by your nipple. Pussy get wet up. Duns River Falls. Niagara Falls.
When your nipple them and when me tongue a circle.
Better say your pussy wetter than a shower curtain.
A regular you look on me picture and come. So you bring the pussy for me fuck it in a person.
Man say enough time. Hey mama, enough time you fantasize over my picture. Enough time you fantasize and take off your panty size over my picture. So guess what? You bring the pussy come from me fuck it in a person. That one is explicit enough. So if there's any kids watching, get away. Get away. Not for you. Not for you.
A regular you look on me picture and come. So you bring the pussy for me fuck it in a person. Stuff it in a belly make your blood a person.
So me tell you so me do the work now your son.
Stuff it in a belly make your blood a person. I wish I do. Squirts.
Stuff it in a belly make your blood a person.
So me tell you so me do the work now your son.
You say
you want fuck. Shut up your mouth and take fuck. Love girl like you a bulldog.
And I give it up chat say me can't fuck.
Cocky I go all out. So your pussy get sort out. Me cocky I go all out. So me fuck you make you ball out.
Hola no.
Open your pussy quicker than a handbag. Make the bend cocky a bust your black dog.
You better walk me a pussy quicker than a handbag. Make that bend cocky a bust your glass. Hey!
Open your pussy quicker than a handbag. Make the bend cocky a bust your black dog. Kneel down like a pride of service. It and God.
Me always want to know which part of your body you find glad bag. Which part? Come here. When me a little boy I grow up, I say, yo, I say me laugh in my Gladbach bus. Yo, which part of your body you find Gladbach? Comment section. You know, want to know where Gladbach there? I mean, know. Tell me, please.
Make the Ben cocky a bust your glad dog. Kneel down like a pride of service. It and God. Y'all say, I didn't never know so you turn bad, y'all. Do what you want, do are you prerogative. If you a blow up and cocky, that is not a bad job.
If you a blow job, if you a give brains, if you a give the hook na wet 3,000 shot, nothing wrong with that, mama. Yeah, we like it.
Do what you want, do are you prerogative. If you a blow up and cocky, that is not a bad job. Please, your man can you love your man bad. Tired the mouth with your pussy standard.
Pussy clot. Tired the mouth with the pussy standard, mama.
Please, your man can you love your man bad. Tired the mouth with your pussy standard. You say you want fuck. Shut up your mouth and take fuck. Love girl like you a bulldog.
And I give it up chat, say me can't fuck.
Cocky I go all out. So your pussy get sat out. Me cocky I go all out. So me fuck you make you ball out. When you want to suffer, dump your back.
Yeah, the ad lives in the background of the girl.
Pussy get sat out. Me cocky I go all out. So me fuck you make you ball out. When you want to suffer, dump your body, baby. Remember how you tell me you want
Fuck till I'm morning. Ready now.
You say you want fuck. Shut up your mouth and neck fuck. Love girl like you a bulldog.
And I give it up chat, say me can't fuck.
Cocky I go all out. So your pussy get sat out.
Mama take some blood clot, fuck it up.
So me fuck you make you ball out. Well, no. Cocky there you feel your pussy miracle. So me slap up your body down till the purple. When your nipple them and when me tongue a circle. Better say your pussy wetter than a shower curtain. A regular you look on me picture and come. So you bring the pussy for me fuck it in a person. Stuff it in a belly make your blood a person. So me tell you so me do the work now.
I'm certain.
You say you want fuck. Shut up your mouth and take fuck. Love girl like you a bulldog.
And I give it up chat, say me can't fuck.
Cocky I go all out. So your pussy get sat out.
Yo, this body fuck.
So me fuck you make you ball out.
Rana.
Open your pussy quicker than a handbag. Make the Ben cocky a bust your glad back. Kneel down like a pride of service. It and God. Y'all say and me never know
So you can bad.
Do what you want, do are you prerogative. If you a blow up and cocky, that is not a bad job.
No.
Please your man can you love your man bad. Tired the mouth with your pussy standard. You say you want fuck. Shut up your mouth and take fuck. Love girl like you a bulldog. And I give me tough chance, send me can't fuck. Me cocky I go all out. So your pussy get sat out. Me cocky I go all out. So
yeah, man.
You make you ball out.
Yeah, man. Me just have to go down into the classic and pull out couple of classics tonight and react. You see me? So yeah. What do you think what I want to do? What I classic them in a dog for the girl them, you know? You know, for the girl them, man. So, like me say earlier on, drop a follow link in the description. I'm a second reaction channel. You see me? Give me some love over there, some please. We just want to get to the 4,000 hour watch time and then me ease off on the back and just start do it by myself. You understand? But right now I just need a helping hand, please. But yeah, as you can see, I flew, but I'm still out here I work phone. You see me? Yeah, I'm still out here I work phone, man. I don't want to think about one in the comment section, and I'll be down there waiting anyway. Alright? Peace.
Sean Stam, the Zambia represent for Jamaica verse gamer. You don't know him give the baddest reaction. You know disclaimer. You don't know what that. About to miss a cap a lot. You don't know what that.
It's all about Jamaica's worst gamer. You deaf with the baddest. And it's a rap on earth.